Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter 6, triangles. We were discussing in the last class about exercise 6.2. We have done question number 4. Now let us continue question number 5. I am reading the question. In figure 6.20, this figure number is given as 6.20 figure. Figure 6.20, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. You have to show that EF is parallel to QR. That means you have to use either BPT or converse of BPT. Now, first of all, you have to, since it is question related to proof, you have to first of all write given, then to proof, and then after that proof. If construction is necessary, it should be mentioned. Now, what is given? You are given that in figure DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. That you are given. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. And we have to prove, that is to prove EF parallel to QR. Given is DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. You have to prove EF parallel to QR. That means since the parallel condition of parallel is given, we can use BPT. Now, no need of construction. Then proof is, first of all, take the triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, OE is parallel to OQ. That you are given. Whatever that you are writing, you have to mention the reason, whether it is given or you are using any property. That in triangle POQ, ED is parallel to OQ implies applying BPT PE by EQ. You are starting from this, from the vertex P to side PQ, so that you have to start from P to the side PO. That is PE by EQ is equal to PO by DO. That will be equation number 1 by applying basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT. Now, this is equation number 1. Now, which triangle you can use? You are given DF is parallel to OR, so that you can take triangle POR. Similarly, this means similarly. Similarly, in triangle POR, again DF is parallel to OR, that you are given. You can again write given. That implies by applying BPT, let us take this one first and after that take PO second, because we are forming two equations so that the right side can be maybe equal. So that you can write PF by FR is equal to PD by, this is, let me check, this is D, so that it becomes PD by DO. PD by DO, this is D. Now again, PF by FR is equal to PD by DO by applying BPT. No need of mentioning, same theorem frequently in the same question. Now see equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, you are getting PD by DO common right side. Since right sides are equal, you can get left side. That is 1 and 2 gives, are you getting? We have applied BPT in this left triangle as well as right triangle, so that we got two equations in which right sides are equal. That means 1 and 2 gives PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now see, we got PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. That means in triangle PQER, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR implies by converse of BPT, that line must be parallel to third one. That means if the sides are divided in the same ratio by any line segment, then that line segment should be parallel to third side by converse of BPT. That is, but you have to explain, that is in triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR implies EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. It is not necessary that we can apply BPT always. If the sides ratios are given equal, then you have to apply converse of BPT, that is by converse of BPT. तो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको हर बार BPT ही अप्लाई करना है, आप BPT अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल दिया होता है तो you can apply converse of BPT. That is the first, that is the question number 5. Now what is question number 6? Question number 6. Let me draw the figure. First of all, let me read the question. In figure 6.21, A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR, and then show that BC is parallel to QR. Let me draw the figure. In the examination also, it is better to draw the figure even though you are given in the question. If you draw the figure in your notebook, then you can easily go through the answer sheet. You can easily go through the figure. No need of looking the question paper again and again. You are given triangle PQR, and you are given a point, say O, and these OP, OQ and OR are joined. OP, OQ and OR are joined. Now, A is a point on OP, B is a point on OQ and C is a point on OR. आपको दे रखा है A is a point, A OP का एक point है, and B is point on OQ and C is point on OR. Now join AB, BC and AC. This much is the given question. This figure number is given as figure 6.21. That means, once again I am saying, you are given that in triangle PQR, B, A and C are the points on OQ, OR and OP respectively. That means what is given? Figure should be little bit proportionate with the figure in the question. क्वेश्चन में जो फिगर दे रखा है उसके जैसे थोड़ा प्रोपोर्शनेट होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट बी सीन सो प्रॉपर. Now you are given that, what you are given? You are given that ABC in triangle PQR, A, B, C are the points on the side, points on, कौन सी पॉइंट में? A is on OP, OB and OR respectively. RLY means respectively. To prove, what do you have to prove? आपको क्या prove करना है? To prove, you have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. No need of any construction. इसमें construction की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So you can easily start proof. First of all, take triangle. Take the triangle POQ. In POQ, one more condition you are given. This also should be written. इसके साथ में एक और दे रखा है, AB parallel to PQ दे रखा है आपको, and AC parallel to PR is also given. This should be mentioned. I forgot it, but you should write everything that you are given in the question. Now, in triangle POQ देखिए, this is one. AB is parallel to PQ given. Whenever one side is parallel to another one, you can easily apply BPT. In triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ that you are given. That implies आप जिस साइड से लेंगे उस वर्टेक्स से ही स्टार्ट, अगर इधर से आप स्टार्ट करोगे इधर से भी स्टार्ट करना है. आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम O. OA by PA या AP is equal to OB by BQ. Again I am saying, if you are starting from this vertex to this side, you have to start from same vertex to this side. अगर आपने O से स्टार्ट किया इस साइड के लिए तो इधर से ही O, इधर भी O से स्टार्ट करना है. अदरवाइज आप P से स्टार्ट करें तो यहाँ Q से स्टार्ट करेंगे. That is this is equation number 1 by BPT. Because the lines are parallel, sides are perpendicular, that is PPT. Now one more triangle is remaining, that is triangle POR. In triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, that you are given. You are given that AC is parallel to PR. That implies, again I am starting from O, so that you can you will get to equation with LHS equal. That is OA by PA is equal to again OC by CRC. OC इधर से ही स्टार्ट करना. That is equation number 2. Again by BPT, no need of mentioning same theorem frequently. Once if you have mentioned, that is sufficient. Now 1 and 2 gives, if you compare 1 and 2, left sides are equal so that you can equate right side. OB by BQ OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. That means what? You got in triangle, this is Q, this is that is you got OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. वो कौन सा ट्राइंगल में? ट्राइंगल OQR में. That is in triangle OQR, OB by QB या BQ is equal to OC by CR. That means if in a triangle the sides are divided in the same ratio, otherwise sides are proportional by any line segment, then that line segment should be parallel to the third side by converse of BPT. That implies BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. This is the sixth question, and you are asked to prove that BC is parallel to QR. That means if the sides are given parallel, you can apply BPT. The sides are not given, if the sides ratio are given equal, you can apply converse of BPT. Don't get confused. Confusion नहीं आना चाहिए. Sides एक साइड पैरेलल होता है तो वो आप बीपीटी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल होता है, कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and 8 of this exercise are from related to midpoint theorem of triangle that you can do by yourself. That is question 7 and 8 are homework. Question 7 and 8 are homework that you have to do by yourself. Now I am doing the question number 9. That is very important. Question number 9 I am reading. ये बहुत important है. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to OD by CO by DO. You are given a trapezium. Trapezium means any one pair of opposites are parallel. I am taking a trapezium, say ABCD, in such a way that AB is parallel to CD. And what is the condition you are given? You are given that diagonals intersect in which AB is parallel to DC, that is AB is parallel to DC. You have to draw like that, and you are also given the diagonals intersect at O. The diagonals are AC and BD. That means diagonals intersect at O. Now you have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. AO by BO equal to CO by DO. You have to prove. Now for this you have to do a construction. इसमें construction करना है. From O draw a line parallel OE parallel to AB. O से आपको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है AB का पैरेलल विच इंटरसेक्ट AD at E. तो वो O से जो लाइन जा रही है वो AD को E में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट व्हाट इज गिवन. यू आर गिवन दैट इन trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and the diagonals intersect at the point O. That you can do by yourself. To prove, what you have to prove? You have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now what is the construction that done? That is construction, CONSTR construction. Through O, draw a line OE parallel to, that is the line that we have mentioned by name OE. OE is parallel to AB, comma, intersecting AD at E. हमने O से पैरेलल बनाया है AB का, वो AD को E पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. Now proof. Now what we are given? You are given that AB is parallel to DC. That is equation number 1. And OE is parallel to AB. That is, this is given, and this is equation number 2. This is by construction. That means what? OE is parallel to AB है, CD भी parallel to AB है. These two lines are parallel to same line. You know, in the lower classes, the lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. That implies OE is parallel to AB and CD is parallel to AB implies OE is parallel to CD. That is equation number 3. This equation we have to use further. Now, what you are given? First of all, take the triangle ABC. Now, in triangle ABC, OE is parallel to, this is proof, OE is parallel to AB implies AE by ED. हमने कौन सा ट्रायंगल लिया? ABD में AE by ED, तो आप कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे? इधर से, इस प्रोडक्ट से लिए तो इससे करना, इधर से नहीं कर सकते, तो क्या आएगा? BO by OD by BPT, because we have made the line OE parallel to AB. This is equation number 4. Similarly, in triangle, अब कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे? ADC, ABC लिया, ADC लेंगे, ADC लेंगे तो DC उसका साइड आ जाएगा. In triangle ADC, OE is parallel to DC by CD and DC are equal by equation 3. Implies by applying BPT you will get AE by ED is equal to, देखिए AE by ADC लिया हमने, पहले तो ABD लिया था, अब AE by ED is equal to AO by OC, सेम वर्टेक्स होना चाहिए, AO by OC. Equation number 5. Now see both the equation, comparing the equation 4 and 5. 4 and 5 gives the left sides are equal, so that you can compare right side. BO by OD is equal to AO by OC, but you are asked to prove AO by OB. So अभी आपको BO by OD equal to AO by OC मिला, but you have to convert in the form in which you are asked to prove. That means you have to convert AO by BO. That means BO should be transferred to right side and the left side is CO. This term is transferred to left side. That implies OC by OD is equal to OC by OD is equal to AO by BO. Now आपको जो वो दे रखा है उसी फॉर्मेट में लिखना है. That means first you have to write this one, AO by BO is equal to left side CO, OC and CO are equal, that is CO by OD is BO. Hence the proof. This question is very important. So what we have done? First of all, we have drawn a line parallel to this one, applied BPT in ABD and applied BPT in ADC. We got two equations with LHS equal. We compared RHS and we have just rearranged as per the required form. Next question, last question of the same exercise is question number 10. I am reading the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. You are given and you are asked to the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. You have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So since you are asked to prove trapezium, you have to draw figure as in the form of trapezium. आपको trapezium आपसे proof करने के लिए पूछा गया, तो आपको figure भी trapezium जैसे ही बनाना है. And diagonals are intersecting at the point O. This is diagonal intersecting at the point O. And you are given that AO by OB, AO by OB, this one is, let me draw the figure once more. AO by OB equal to CO by OD. That you are given. You are asked to prove ABCD is trapezium. In order to prove ABCD trapezium proof करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? AB parallel to DC proof करना sufficient है. First of all, right, for that again, like in the previous question, we have to draw a line. Again, आपको एक line draw करना है through O parallel to AB. Parallel to AB हमने draw कर लिया. Now, first of all, write given. Given क्या है? In quadrilateral ABCD, the diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This you are given. Now to prove, you have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. In order to prove that ABCD is a trapezium, you have to prove that either AB parallel to DC or AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC is not possible, so that you have to prove AB is parallel to CD. Now again construction, like in the previous question, through O, draw a line OE parallel to AB to intersect AD at E. Now proof. What you have to prove? क्या proof करना चाहिए? Now triangle ABD, in triangle ABD what you have constructed, आपने क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन किया, OE is parallel to AB, आपने ट्राइंगल ABD में OE is parallel to AB कंस्ट्रक्ट किया. That means by if parallel condition is given you can use VPT, that is AE by ED is equal to AE by ED is equal to, आपने ABD लिया है तो कौन से ट्रायंगल्स आएंगे, ABD में AE by ED is equal to, लेट मी चेक, A से दिया तो आपको O से लेना है, OB by OD. Now given condition, this is equation number 1. What is given condition? Given condition is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. इसको थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना है क्योंकि आपके पास OB by OD आया है. By transferring this term to this term, BO to right and which one? BO to right side and this one to left side, you will get, what you will get? AO, you are given OB by OD. That means you can write this here. That is implies OD by OB is equal to CO by AO. But you want OB by OD. आपको OB by OD चाहिए. So that what you can do? You can just take the reciprocal. That implies OB by OD is equal to AO by CO. समझ में आ रहा है? First of all, we have taken, since OE is parallel to AB, AE by ED equal to BO. A से लिया तो B से लिया, BO by OD. Given condition, AO by BO equals CO by DO. That is, by transferring to form this form, we first of all we have transferred the terms in RHS to LHS and LHS into RHS. OD by OB equals CO by AO. By taking reciprocal, you got OB by OD. OB by OD equal to AO by OC. That means we got, that is AE by, this is equation number, let me check, this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now apply 2 in 1. By putting 2 in 1, you will get AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. हमने 2 को 1 में पुट कर लिया, that means OB by OD की जगह पर AO by OC लिख दिया. That implies you got, that is in triangle ADC, we have already taken ABC. ABC हमने ले लिया. अब ट्रायंगल कौन सा लेना है, ADC. In triangle ADC, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. By the above condition implies the triangle ADC, the sides are divided in the same ratio. That implies OE is parallel to DC by converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. That means OE is parallel to DC and OE is parallel to AB by construction. OE DC का भी parallel है, OE AB पर parallel. That means AB and DC are coming parallel. AB and DC are parallel to OE. That means the lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. That implies AB is parallel to DC, yeah, CD. AB is parallel to DC. That means in quadrilateral ABCD, we proved that one pair of opposite sides are equal. Implies ABCD is a trapezium. That is the last question. Again, both of the questions constructions were same. Here we have applied between ABD triangle and ADC triangle. We have, by given condition, we proved OE is parallel to DC, hence AB is parallel to DC, so that it is trapezium. This is question related to exercise 6.2. Next topic is criteria of similarity. There are 4 types of criteria of similarity. Triple A criteria of similarity of triangles. First one is AAA similarity, second is AA similarity, third one is SSS similarity, and fourth one is SAS similarity. And in each one, the AA similarity as well as AA similarity are same. So that for applying, proving AAA similarity, it is AA similarity. You can prove AAA similarity and SSS similarity and SA similarity. This proof I will give you 1 or 2 proof, and the remaining proof you have to do by yourself. And this much is today's class. I hope that you understood all these things very much. Do all the questions with the solved examples also. See you again in the next class. Thank you.